7721 11th Ave Northwest, dates June 15, 2021, making this recording from the clean out on the north side of the home. Coming back from the main, we almost immediately come back into a 6-inch diameter, what looks like a permaliner, or some offshoot of an inverted liner. Come back through that 6-inch diameter liner into a section of PVC down here. That PVC then comes back into 4-inch HDPE plastic pipe. That's part of a pipe burst done somewhat recently. And here's your culprit. Massive root growing into the line. Approximately, I don't know.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Sorry, I don't want to interrupt your recording.
No, I was just making it for you anyway.
Oh, thanks.
Here is the clean out we're making the recording from. I'm going to end the video there.